How to fix Instagram invalid parameter error. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix invalid parameters error on Instagram. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, check whether there are available updates of Instagram or not. Outdated Instagram app will create different kinds of errors on Instagram. So for that, hop into Play Store or App Store. Search for Instagram. Now you need to select the update button as there are updates available and update it to the latest version. Once you update your app, simply head towards Settings on your phone. Scroll down. Tap on Apps. Now open App Management. Using the search bar, you need to search in Instagram. Then open the app info section of Instagram and select storage uses. Tap clear cache and clear your all the cache. This will help you to free up different glitches and bugs of Instagram. Now tap open by default and make sure that all the links that you use are verified. You can also add a link if needed. And once you do that, tap force stop to force stop your application. Once done, this will fix your invalid parameter error issues on Instagram. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and subscribe.